This is the Uttora Remote Control Car. Let's go check it out. So this is a unique toy car because instead of the wheels turning left and right, the whole front will turn, as you can see there, and the tires are rubber. And this comes with a rechargeable batteries, which is very nice. And to charge it, you're just gonna plug it there, and to turn it on, you're just gonna have to push it there like that. So this comes with lights too, and it's very good. So let's check it out. So this goes forward, backward, and the whole front will turn left and right, and we're gonna show that in action. Okay, just for a while, I'm just getting the hang of it. Okay, that's how I turn it. We'll check another angle here. See it. Okay, let's go move forward, backward, turn right, turn left. So this toy is really enjoyable to play with. So you can also put it like that. You can stand that, and it still moves. Okay, turn it right and left. And this is really fun. So I guess that's it for the Uttora Remote Control Car. And thank you for watching.